Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer with Party with Favor, and today I'm going to show you how you can wood burn these little Christmas ornaments. This will be a great party favor for your upcoming Christmas events. Here's what you will need: my free downloadable pattern, wood circles, a wood burning tool, scissors, tape, a pencil, transfer paper, ribbon, and a crochet hook. If you are going to give gifts to your guests, give them something worth keeping. Give them a lifelong memory. To start, click on the link below to access this free pattern along with my other free project resources. Either purchase wooden circles from your local craft store or cut out your own. I cut my circles out of a 2-inch tree branch. Of course, always use personal protective equipment when using power tools. Print the Christmas tree design on regular paper and cut out your favorite designs with scissors. Take a small piece of transfer paper and lay it on top of your wood. Make sure that the transfer paper lays with the shiny side facing down on top of the wood. Place your Christmas design on top of the transfer paper and tape it in place. Trace the design with a pencil and remove the tape and the paper when completed. Using a wood burning tool, trace the design. Be careful not to burn yourself. Poke a hole through your ornament so that it can hang from a ribbon. Thread your ribbon through the hole. I found that using a small crochet hook helps with threading the ribbon. For the final step, tie the ribbon's ends together. These rustic wooden ornaments are festive, fun gifts for your Christmas guests. If you like this party favor suggestion, like and subscribe below. God bless you and your upcoming event.